Simplihan lang na outfit. Hindi naman tayo, na pagka-fashionista. Yan lang. Yan lang yung outfit. Yung bag ko as always. Ito lang kasi, yung mga bag ko guys, nandoon na nga sa kabilang bahay. Itong bahay na to, hindi na to bahay ng asawa ko, nakabenta. Kaso lang, naka-contract pa to sa asawa ko hanggang November. Kaya mag-stay pa kami dito hanggang November. Kunting makeup lang guys, kasi, hindi na ako kagaya dati na, hindi talaga ako mawawalan ng ipit. Bet ko sa laging may ipit. Yan. May ipit.
Don't know what to do. You feel like you're not prepared, or you feel like, okay, then you say a sermon that every preacher said, go and disciples, evangelize, but what should I do? Or maybe there's just a step that you have to do. Maybe it's about your spiritual life. Maybe it's about prayer or Bible study. Maybe you already passed those things and you just don't know what to do. Okay, my sermon, my message for you is that step that God calls you to do, to make. Just make it. Just come closer to God. I don't know. Maybe you're a new Christian. Maybe you're a Christian for like years and years and generations and generations. You're from a Christian family. Doesn't matter. Jesus is a person, and He calls us to a relation between us and them. So ask God. This first. Ask God. Pray. Pray as much as you can. Because when you pray, Satan has no room. Why? Because God, the biggest person in the universe, is there in the room with you. And if God is with you, Satan just has no room. He runs away. He's afraid when you pray. When you and me pray. He is not afraid when we go to church. He's not afraid when we, as I said, maybe we are vegetarians. We eat well. We go to church. We sing songs. He's not afraid of those. But he's afraid of prayer because it's the connection.
Cherese. Oh, lots of food.
Ang daming food. Dito kami sa simbahan ngayon.
Now we need to get the need to go in this small. Let's see what they got.
And the small one you can also bring bigger dimension. Those ones, and it's the same thing. Like mini parts and.
This is a lot of S.
Yes, perfect.